Welcome everyone, how's it going? This is Scrembo and another great video presentation for Solana price prediction February 2024. As usually, we take care about the things that are important to us, including the technical and price prediction side, with the informations and with the data set that actually matters. So what's happening at the end of the day, it's basically a situation where you have some of the alts moving strongly, some of the alts getting close to the all-time high, meanwhile the other ones are pretty much slow, decreasing or ranging. There's three categories right now, all of them active and all of them contributing to this cryptocurrency world in terms of the alts. Pumping, ranging, and then decreasing. It's very interesting that you don't have basically the usual two categories. Now you're also facing the third one as well, which most of the time do not exist. So for example, if you have the altcoin market going towards the upside, the other altcoins that are not part of the movement are basically sort of always slow and ranging. But you don't have a pretty tough and large category dumping, right? So there is some sort of a correlation with whether you are going upside or pretty much stay around and wait to go upside a little later, but you don't basically decrease and dump 5, 6, 7% like we get in many other cryptocurrencies out there. Speaking about it and get into the markets, if you enjoyed these videos, make sure to like it, subscribe, check out the YouTube channel, YouTube Shorts for many trading videos. You can get inspired by that one. Especially I have a trade going around $197. You definitely know about it if you're watching my videos. As well, the ability for you guys to join my trading journey, to participate in my trades without any prior fee, just a commission from the profits we make. So it's based on performance. And on top of that, it's completely outsourced and it's done for you with API trading permission. Now, this is the one-on-one coaching as well for anyone that is serious about a crypto space and it's considering a great alternative to achieve financial freedom. Then let's go for it. You need to get your education level high. What's happening on Solana 4-hour candlesticks is something that we would like to talk about. The number one thing I see since the last video is the 4 hours moving average reaction. This is very strong on 200 days. So please keep that in mind. This is a strong reaction, even though you get suppressed by certain powerful Fibonacci extension lines. And on top of that, you also have basically the necessity to deal with the to deal with the fixed range volume price action, which is around this level. Fixed range volume price reaction is basically a key point level that is either keeping you suppressed or it's boosting you towards the upside. We're not receiving the boost at the moment. We're kept under pressure by that selling pressure along the way with a combination with the blue line 1.618 Fibonacci for an HTF. This is basically what we are heading towards. Now, at the moment, you're in a great range. The range is established by the red horizontal and blue horizontal line. They are very important to us. 1.414, 1.618 extensions of the Fibonacci. They are levels that are meaning basically a necessity of keeping the pressure, allowing for the volume and liquidity to construct, and then preparing for the breakout. The breakout is having the intention to get into the encircled area, which is representing the golden pocket from the top of the structure. This golden pocket is having the target of $110, $112 for Solana. That target can be very easily crossed, guys. So it's not something that should scare you big time, unless you get basically a major BTC dump and then things are going to look different. But now Solana is no longer the cryptocurrency going 20 to 30% daily. Solana is slowly loading off some of the bags, and we have many investors out there dumping it slowly and slowly, aiming basically that when the markets are going to go up for another run, they are going to sell out even more. Simply, if you got into Solana at 10, 15, 20 bucks and it's now at 100, it is hard basically on this rally not to offload something that you have been earning. And it's not really a good decision to not to offload. Of course, 110, 112, you want to go for that, you can retrace back to the 1.618, which is 100. And then if you get support in the 100, we can speak about the liquidity above this high. Above that high, you have 118. So liquidity above 118 if you retrace back to hundreds after touching 110, 112 and find support. This is the strategy for February, guys. What about towards the downside? When we speak about the downside, you have basically the 1.414 horizontal red line, and you have the previous resistance, current current support, it's still downtrending, channel line. You have that channel line right there, it's holding us. If you get into that, it's quite deep and it's quite, powerful in terms of pressure, but at the same time should not be underestimated. Solana has volatility when the markets are tanking. It's one of that cryptocurrencies which is not joking around with 5 to 5%. It is basically crypto that is putting double digits every time there is volatility. That's it, folks. Enjoy, subscribe to the channel, make sure to check out the Done For You trading on my trading journal, as well the one-on-one coaching for anyone that is serious about looking for financial freedom. The only way you can do that through education to trade correctly. Enjoy. We'll talk to you soon.